Welcome everyone to this week's episode of LBC Exterior Cleaning. Today we're in Oxford at the University of Oxford. We've got a cracking job here today. We've got Jim and Aaron, and they've hired in an expert team of abseilers from Moon Abseilers to clean the stonework of two of the buildings here at the University of Oxford. So let's go join in with the team and see how they're getting on.
I'm here with Aaron, and we're here with two abseilers today who are going to be abseiling down the side of the buildings and the brick, the stonework and the cladding.
Nice. So the guys, what you've helped them set up, and they're well on the way. So you're just assisting the abseilers today.
Well, we have to be on the ground for health and safety to make sure that, keep an eye on people going underneath them, so they don't get burnt by any hot water or possible falling debris. Even though there shouldn't be any falling debris, it's just safer to have us down here and to make sure the machines are all good and working correctly. As you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 ledges. Yeah. We can do the first two, they'll be doing the second two, and then they'll also be doing the top of the ledges.
Do you reckon we'll get this whole side done today?
Our priority will be to keep the abseilers going. So while once they get down as far as they get, and they go to move their equipment, we might tackle some of the lower stuff with the telescopic, but again, how far we get on all depends in our lead time between them. So we'll be getting the top halves of this side done today. We'll see on the bottom halves.
Lovely. All right, Jim, let's enjoy this pressure wash today.
Yeah, and like and subscribe, guys.
Main thing, like and subscribe. Here we go, here we go. There was the moment we've all been waiting for. The big dog. He's going to do this lower section here. See up there? Heavily stained. Our main man, Aaron. I have been waiting all day for this. He's got his lance. How you feeling, champ? Calm man. How you feeling?
Yeah, good, boy.
Yeah.
I'm feeling good. Good to be back. Good to see you as well, bro.
Yeah, it's been a long time, man. Anyway, listen. You ready, champ?
Yeah, let's go for it, mate. Let's crack on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, bro.
Let's go, let's go. Oh, the big dog.
You can see the transformation that's happened in this building. It's looking far cleaner, less greener, and overall a good transformation. The boys are up in the Abseil and did a very good job. And what we're doing is we're finishing off for the day, guys. Please like and subscribe, and we hope you've enjoyed this video.